Okay, so hi dear Libra, very very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal no contact reading for all the Libra Sun Moon Venus rising from today till the 31st of March. Roles can be reversed also, action can be from your side also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions, you can check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below. I was just expecting something to happen, but nothing in Libra reading till now. Oh my god! Come on, just kidding. Let's start. Okay, Libra, you're a person that you're in no contact or no communication with. Their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. Let's see what's happening. We have the Seven of Swords, the Three of Wands, and the Knight of Wands. Wow. So this is someone who is kind of lying to themselves continuously that they're moving on, they don't care about you, there's nothing left in the situation, they don't want to see you again, they don't want to feel any, they just don't feel anything for you. Bullshit. This is somebody who is 1 foot in, 1 foot out of the situation, and they're continuously lying to themselves that everything is okay and they're fine. For some of you, this person is dealing with somebody else also, but they're pretending as if they're single and you are the only person that they're dealing with. Whatever the case may be, this person is feeling highly attracted to the idea of reconnecting with you, but for some reason they feel like they should not tell it to you, or they should not like express, like let it come out. You know, it's like highly deceptive kind of energy, not towards you basically, but most probably towards themselves. Yeah, and this person is highly in this energy, not energy, delusion that yeah, I don't care who Libra. Yeah, but they're very attracted to the idea of somehow reconnecting with you. Yeah, highly emotionally immature person, on and off, in and out kind of energy, somewhat player kind of energy, and deceptive too. And when they're lying to you, this person is lying to themselves more than they're lying to you. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions here? The Devil, the Eight of Pentacles, the Hermit. This person wants to work for the situation behind the scenes. This person doesn't want to be vulnerable, they don't want to communicate, they don't want to say much, they don't want to show much. It's like they want to work on the things that they know are not good for them or good for their love and relationship area, the toxicity, the negativity, the third parties, the addictions, whatever the case may be. The devil can represent addictions, devil can represent unhealthy patterns, unhealthy attachments, unhealthy energies, repetitive cycles. Mhm. Okay, Libra. So they want to work on themselves, their energies behind the scenes, and they don't want to take any kind of make any kind of move until unless they are completely in this energy of mission completed and mission finished, and now I can do something about it. Yeah, let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 31st of March, Libra. We have the Eight of Swords, the Judgment, and the Knight of Swords. Right now, they're trying to run away as far as they can from the situation, from this whole scenario, from this whole connection. Wow. Because the more this person is trying to think positive about the situation, the more the universe is kind of giving them reasons, not the universe, their mind is giving them reasons to think negative about it. So instead of doing anything about the situation, they're running away in the opposite direction, or at least trying to. And in the middle, there is this energy of, okay, I'm just trying to let go. So they are, with all of their force, with all of their courage, with all of their strength, this person is trying their best to let go and surrender, let go and let God. Meanwhile, physically running away in the totally opposite direction of this situation, this connection. They're not able to understand what they should do. I'm telling you, this person is continuously in a deceptive kind of energy where they're continuously lying to themselves that everything is fine, it is okay, everything is good, I should not worry too much, I should not think about it. But the exact opposite is happening inside of them. For you, the guidance here is the Ten of Pentacles. See, honey, you should work on your stability. You should work on the things, the energies, the kind of stability that you want in your life from inside out, right? If you're getting some kind of stable energies within yourself, work on those energies. What is giving you this kind of happiness? What is giving you a safe and secure kind of energy, and what is not? It's high time for you to realize who to release and who to connect with, who to stay connected with, maybe, right? I have three hearts here. They're straight away going upwards. Wow, looking cool. So anyways, this is the guidance for you guys. This is the Life Seer Tarot deck that I'm using right now. If you're interested in knowing my spiritual journey or about Osho meditations or Osho Pune, you can check the comment section. I'll leave the link there if you want to. Completely up to you. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.